In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of creating your building's HVAC system. As the first step, you'll need to place the electrical cabinet on the layout from where the software will calculate the cabling. After that, add the Loxone weather station, as this will provide up-to-date information on the current outdoor temperature, and the weather forecast service will make our system even more complex. The data measured by the outdoor temperature and humidity sensor is also of great importance in controlling the indoor temperature. Next, we will install touch tree devices in the rooms with built-in heat and humidity sensors, which will be used to control the temperature in the rooms. We can complete the control by installing the window and door contact sensors. It is important for the system to know when a window is open, as this can affect the system's proper operation. After that, place the floor heating icons, at which point the software calculates a Loxone valve motor for each heating circuit. Add the ceiling, heating/cooling circuits for which the tree design valve motors are used. In case of bathrooms, make sure to calculate with the installation of extractor fans. For this project, a split air conditioner has been planned for the garage, which should not be omitted. We are finished. Now we can move on to the documentation section, where you will see the cable route of the necessary devices and the Loxone elements to be installed in the electrical cabinet. Electrical planning can be that easy with uPlan.